Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the phone. Make sure battery is healthy and iOS is updated so Touch ID behaves reliably. Next, set a passcode if you haven't already because Touch ID requires it. Once done, wipe the home button and remove any case or film that could block the sensor. Now go to Settings, tap Touch ID and Passcode, enter your passcode, and choose Add a fingerprint to start the capture process. You'll follow the on-screen instructions and place the finger on the home button lightly. The system asks you to lift and rest repeatedly so it reads multiple parts of the print. Make sure to slightly change angle and placement each time so side ridges are recorded. This increases success when you grip the phone. Repeat for a second finger like your other thumb or index finger. Once the progress reaches completion, Touch ID saves the template. You're nearly done. Enable the toggles for iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store and Apple Pay if desired, then lock the phone and test each registered finger until unlocking is consistent. If a finger fails intermittently, make sure your finger and the home button are dry, re-register that finger, and try again. Troubleshooting tip: if Touch ID still misreads, clean the sensor, remove any screen protector, update iOS, and if needed, delete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.